Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start the ult and immediately trigger an interrupt. Press your dash or flash as the windup begins to cancel the long follow-through. You do this because Yasuo's ult has an animation window where displacement or mobility interrupts the recovery frames, so canceling saves time and prevents hard commit errors. Once done, practice hitting the input within 1/20th to 1/4 of a second of cast, start to internalize the timing and account for ping differences. You now refine the technique by syncing movement and ability frames. Aim your dash into any direction that still lands you on target to keep pressure. Explain why. Displacement or spell reset frames interrupt the recovery, so you retain damage while shortening vulnerability. Once you can see the visual cast spike reliably, vary direction and distance to avoid predictable movement, and account for higher ping by inputting fractionally earlier. This preserves hit confirmation, while trimming. You finish by chaining a quick Q or auto attack right after the cancelled ult to convert the animation gain into damage. The why is simple. You traded recovery time for actionable frames. If it fails, verify you aren't misbinding flash or dashes, and consider buffering inputs earlier by a few hundredths of a second to offset lag. Once done, review replays to spot the timing miss and repeat the practice loop until the cancel is consistent under different network conditions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.